Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this sample size here of the Benefit They're Real Magnet Powerful Lifting and Lengthening Mascara to try out. So this is one of the products from my November 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag, which that unboxing video is up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. But I'm so excited to try this out because I love trying out mascaras and I love the brand Benefit. I've tried some great mascaras from this brand and this just sounds awesome. It has an extender brush with magnetically charged core to pull the magnetic mineral enriched formula up and out beyond the tips of the lashes, which I'm just so intrigued to see that in action. I will say, lengthening and curl are two qualities in a mascara that I used to really look for in my mascaras, and I still look for that, but my lashes have just gotten so much longer and they have so much curl now, and I think it's because I just really take care of my lashes. Mostly I think it's because of the Babe Lash Lash Enhancing Serum, which I use every day, and I think that's really made my lashes grow longer. But then I also use a mascara primer every day, a mascara like coat over the lashes, whereas the Babe Lash Serum just goes on the base of the lashes. So I feel like I've put so much effort into growing my lashes and making them look the best they possibly could and using so many products on them that now I'm finally pretty happy with the results, but I still have very light lashes, so it's not like I go without mascara. But I do just want to call that out because I feel like in videos now my lashes just look so much longer than they used to. But okay, let's check out this wand, and it's a pretty big wand with spiky bristles, which looks fine. I just hope it won't be too messy all over my eyelid. But I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to just one of my eyes. That way we can compare the difference. I'm like going a little slow to see if I can notice that magnetic effect. I feel like it's not really sticking onto the ends of my lashes that well at first, but it's not going on clumpy. It's going on actually with some pretty good volume. Like, it does seem like more of a thick formula, which I like, but really only thick on the base of the lashes. So let's see if I can really get it to stick onto the tips there. Like, that's a nice first coat of mascara, but the thing that I'm noticing the most is just how it's so thick at the bottom, then it's just like really not sticking to the top of the lash. So it's giving this kind of funny look to the lashes. But I like that they're staying separated, not sticking together. So we'll give that a little bit to dry down. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and try it out on my lower lashes. It's actually not messy at all. I haven't gotten any mascara on my eyelid. It might be because these bristles are so short and stubby that it makes it really not messy. And it's this really nice dark color, so I really like this on the lower lashes actually, to darken them, keep them separated. Yeah. It does feel like a little different than a regular mascara. Like, thicker, but not clumpy. Good volume, but almost like a drier formula, but not bad. I feel like that's a weird way to describe it, but now trying to layer up these top lashes. And once again, I feel like it's really great, really volumizing like the base and the middle of the lashes. They're looking so good, volumized yet separated, but I can't get it onto the tips of the lashes. Like, trying to really tap it on there. So the claims of this is lengthening and lifting, but I feel like the best qualities of this mascara is how separating and volumizing it is. The two other claims that I look for in a mascara that this one actually is not calling out, because the lengthening and the lifting is like really not happening for me. Hard to stick it onto the ends, like I keep saying. And I mean, there's a little bit of curl, but overall, I feel like the lashes are almost like more straight out. Like I'm trying to push on the ends and kind of curl a bit that way. But mostly I am just loving how volumized and fanned out these lashes are looking. Like that looks really good. It's giving such a full falsy effect. Even though I feel like I was talking about how long my lashes are, and now like they don't actually even look that long. But they look so volumized. So wow, let me show you a zoomed in view with it versus without it. What a beautiful, dramatic difference. Let's go ahead and try it on the other eye. I feel like one of my biggest complaints with mascaras is that as I continue to layer it up, it'll just make the lashes stick together. And this mascara is so great at keeping the lashes separated, yet really being able to build up that volume, no clumping. And I can see like such a difference in how volumized it got. And I did have to spend a little bit of time building it up to get there, but it really can build up so much. Like that difference, wow. And that it's not the least bit messy. I didn't get any mascara on my eyelid. I feel like that never happens. And it's a great lower lash mascara. I love this mascara, but it's funny that I love it for claims that it didn't even really make. What is it? It says, yeah, 40% longer. Like, I feel like if anything, my lashes potentially look a little shorter than I was expecting. But the volume makes up for it. And for some reason, I do feel like the mascara is sticking better onto the ends of my lashes on this eye. Like, I feel like I can see the full length of each lash now, but the lashes are sticking together a bit. So that's interesting. Kind of work through. Yeah, like the lashes on this eye are looking longer than this eye. I don't know why. The mascara was sticking better onto the ends of the other lashes. And now, because these lashes are like a little longer, I did get mascara a tiny bit onto the eyelid here. So I kind of like to see, like, is it going to smudge? No, it just brushed away, which is a quality that I really appreciate in a mascara now. Yay, so I really do love this mascara. It's another Benefit mascara that is a new favorite for me. I definitely want this in the full size, but for now I'm happy to have it in this sample because I just love the look I was able to achieve for my lashes. This is seriously what I'm always trying to get my mascaras to do. So of course, if you've tried this out, I would love to hear how it worked out on your lashes in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.